Morning, sweetie. You can look all you want, but you can't have any. You're looking a little tired.
What? Where?
Your mind. Yeah, it's a little empty, don't you think? I would have thought that God's second in command would have a little bit more activity.
Second in command.
Yeah, what happened there?
Doesn't matter.
Well, obviously it does.
I just need to get back.
To the white lights and the puffy clouds.
It's so beautiful there.
Fat chance.
It's not impossible.
Really? Did you see what happened up there? I mean, that was some bad shit.
It was just a misunderstanding.
Right, because that's what a mutiny is. It's a misunderstanding.
He doesn't understand. What he created, it could be so much more. Don't you have any furniture in this place?
It's your mind, Lucifer.
A chair.
It's a shame she couldn't be here.
Who are you?
We are whoever you want us to be.
Stop. I never created any of you. You just appeared.
But a small part of you wanted us.
I didn't want this.
Fair enough. But you have to wonder why we're not going away. I mean, the other girls, they're vicious. And I'm not saying I'm not. We all are. But they're not gonna like what I'm telling you, Lucy. We want out. And what's happening? It's not going to stop. It is not going to stop.
Into water bleeds desire, flaming from above, filling you with thirsty fire, feeding on your love. Oh, your blood is boiling and you feel so alive. You're breathing roses you can feel in your heart. Lust consumes you. Suddenly you found seduction come to destroy you. How you swarm to find salvation. Irony ensues. Oh, your blood is boiling and you feel so alive. It's hard to picture such a man in your eyes. Lust consumes you. Yeah, explore desire, go on the whim. It's hard to part with the itch of skin. Feel as the fire kills all desire. Remember, this is a sin. Oh, your blood is boiling and you feel so alive. Temptation
Oh, Lucifer, so handsome and drawn. I'll keep him in my pocket to treasure and
Lucifer
fun.
so tired, Lucifer afraid, Lucifer apart in this big arcade.
Lucifer, envy, sitting in a tree. I knocked him down and saved him, all for me.
Oh, don't be so greedy.
Enough.
What was that, Lucifer, baby?
It's difficult to hear you when you're a shell of a man. Does that make you feel sad?
Do you need to talk about it?
Enough!
Lost, so frail and small. Here, take my hand. All's not so bleak. Look into my eyes. Here you will find the strength you seek. Find what is real. Find what you feel. If the world comes crashing down, who are you to change the truth? Find what is real. I'll wait for you. Take hold of my hand. Here you will find part of your heart, part of your heart.
Fire alive, oh soul, prepare my tomb. Know not where I lay. Strike as I strive to rule each star above, for I waste away. Summer fades to fall, images are gone. Still I see the light shine, the sun will dawn. Those that hide must fight. Those that fight take flight. Shadows hide the
that in peace keep my heart to one